This 2021 SSR State Route 189 is brought to you by JNAMP, J Enterprise Auto Sales. Engine type single cylinder, 4-stroke, air-cooled displacement 189 cc 4x stroke 65 5mm x 56.2 mm compression, RATI 09.2, 1 rated output 15.4 HP at 8,500 RPM fuel supply carburetor, 30mm ignition CDI starter electric/kick transmission 5-speed manual, 1 down, 4 up chassis front suspension rebound/compression adjustable forks, inverted, 255mm travel rear suspension 450mm spring preload and rebound/compression adjustable shock, 215mm travel front brake 260mm disc rear BRAKE 240mm. Disc front wheel/tire aluminum alloy/70/100, 19 rear wheel/tire aluminum alloy/90/100, 16 frame cast steel W/formed steel tube swingarm steel, box section dimensions wheelbase 52 inches seat height 35 inches ground clearance 12.4 inches.